breaks my heart to know that those elected by the people are responsible for the sale of Goa. I think the most important fact that should be kept in mind is the size of our pearl of the Orient. Goa is the tiniest state. If you compare Goa to our neighboring states, Karnataka is about 64 times bigger than Goa. Maharashtra, 82 times bigger than Goa. There is no comparison. And yet those states are protecting their land while here we are selling our land left, right and center, unnecessarily housing complexes coming. Look at the doing this to Goa. We have to understand the carrying capacity of our state and accordingly allow projects, allow anything for the good of the people of the state. We are just selling land to outsiders. They are coming, they are putting up, huge colonies, and then more people are coming. Also, how much population can the state of Goa contain? I'm not against India. I am an Indian. India is my country. But it is our bounden duty, each one of us, that belong to a particular state to take care of the state. And that is how we'll be able to take care of our country. I